good old drama.
Drama.
DRMA. This is, of course, Dermata Therapeutics, but we call it drama for short because it's no stranger to that. Dermata Therapeutics shares are trading higher after the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office issued the company a notice of allowance for U.S. patents filed compositions for the treatment of skin conditions. So patent news here. Not my favorite news catalyst for some of these stocks. A lot of the times, some of these smaller stocks bleed it back. Sometimes they go crazy. So worth watching here. We basically popped up into a range this morning. Looks like 160 to 145. We kind of been chopping around, a little bit of pin action in there as well. Quick peek at the short interest on this. 4.4% of the float shorted with 1 day to cover. On average, stock trades 2.15 million shares, done 8.42 million here today versus a float of 2.5 million. Are we going to see some drama here today, 13?
Probably. If what is this level? If the 145 area doesn't hold up, then probably. It's looking a little weak right now in the pre-market here. We haven't been able to hold above the VWAP. There's been some price action above it, but no real meaningful and definitive closes. We've got, maybe some here and there, but it just ends up giving the prices ends up giving it back up later. So looking at their cash position, they've got 2 to 3/4 of it on the balance sheet, no revenue. I did see back in January they were filing to sell about 1.5 million of common shares. So they're exploring the possibility, they're exploring raising capital here. I don't know when this is going to happen. Usually when it goes beyond a month, they end up refiling. But that's what I've got for DRMA. I think they're still going to have to raise capital at some point. Don't know when. And it just looks like this is kind of getting weak as we approach to the open. If it does lose this 145 area where it's currently getting support from the after hours yesterday, and then I think that we're going to see the 200 EMA provide support right after that. I just don't know if it's going to hold up. So you have a loss of 145. That's going to take it down to 140. Not a very big drop, but this isn't very much. It isn't very high above $1 anyway. So.